Okay. Today I need your help, okay? My daughter fucked my system up. So I'm going to put my sound to the max and just tell me if I destroy your ears, okay? Is this good? Are we destroying any ears? Are we good? Are we alive? Is this like completely retarded or all good, Maple? Okay. Webcam now. Webcam. Do we have a working webcam? Shit. Oh! Why has that changed? Alright, we in! Okay. What's up, Nigma? What's up? It's Commander. And what's up, Dimitri? Alright. Let's get this shit going. Holy! I've got a big reality check today. My daughter decided that it was fun to climb on the table and destroy my setup. I don't know how to say Dmitri, okay? Is this how you say it? I have a hard time not putting the I, okay? Dmitri. I hope this is good. I love you, okay? This is just us filthy Westerners, okay? We cannot do any other way. Alright. I think we're going to get it. I think we're going to be good. This is live chat. Put that there. Let's share the screen. Always these damn mortals. True. Let me just F around a bit. Alright. We good. Yeah, she really fucked my setup up. She bodied the shit out of it. But the cam is intact. So, what's your plans for the new year? Stream? Stream harder! All we do is streaming. Yeah, there's pretty much nothing else than that. I don't have much of a life. I think I'll see some people soon that I like, but apart from that, streaming and probably right after I see these people, stream again. So that's yeah, that's probably that's what's going on. No, okay. Let's just make sure that I can always see the chat. Alright. We in! Okay. So, where were we? First of all, let's just share this shit. Give me half a second. It's Commander. I started following your repository. Let me share that shit, okay? We need a share, okay? That's based as shit. Okay, that's really based. Very productive, okay? What did we do yesterday? Let's go into detail into what we did. This. Not this. This. No! What did you do? Okay, that was very based. Oh, return from null space. Did you know? Did you now? I don't know what that means. Anyway. Okay. Okay, so I've got a weird design problem, and it may be just the fact that I'm not, like, I'm not just doing it and finding an answer later. So the issue is that whenever you add something onto a DB, shit needs to be in order. Okay? Let's just make a thesis out of this, okay? Alright. So whenever we add shit to the DB, we can reference some other shit with the type ID, right? That's the idea of the type system that we have. The type system is pretty much AST, okay? Just think about AST for a minute, okay? So we can reference using type struct back to another type and repeat the cycle of suffering again, and again. And there's other types that are going to be able to point to other types again, okay? So this is how we structure our shit, right? So if we have an int, we will store it in an M type that will itself link to something else. But anyway, okay, we will store the int into the type. But if we have a struct, and let's say that that struct is a specific struct that was already declared somewhere else, okay? It's struct fuck j, okay? I'm trying to be clear here, but it's hard, okay? So if you have struct fuck j, but you're just using it, okay? It's been created earlier. You're just using it. Fuck, that's not the word. How do we... Okay, declare is when... In C, okay? Enigma, I need you now, okay? Declaring is when you create the concept of a thing, and initializing is when you actually put values into the thing, right? Okay, so you declare... So let's say that fuck j has already been declared earlier. We would be able to use it. But in our system... Let's say that fuck j comes from another file. We're gonna need to make that link that whenever we process everything that we parsed, whenever we take the tokens that were produced from our parser or lexer, we need to reference this prior fuck j concept, find it and reference it in order to be able to, well, add fuck j, right? Because we cannot say, hey, this structure, the type ID here is to a type ID that doesn't exist yet, right? We need to know where the fuck we're putting this. So that's my problem here. That's my mental anguish for now. Well, I mean, SQL is not bad. It's just that you have to focus so much on having it right that it becomes like freaking hard. But anyway. Only taught SQL. Yeah, that's kind of shitty. What's going on in here? We're trying to reach your level. For the rest, we could use a CMS or our prior knowledge based. Racist. Okay, thank you, I guess. Which ethnicity are you? I want to throw a racial slur at you. Alright, well, in my own experience, they forced me to write comments in my code. Yeah, that doesn't match Nigma, right? That's not the Nigma I know. Alright, so that's the issue that we have, right? Is we can parse the file, but somehow at some point we're gonna need to like point to shit and reference shit, so it's going to be hard. No, that's crazy. Are you talking about me trying to find his ethnicity? And for what I have heard, that's pretty much the standard across some countries. What? What the fuck are we actually talking about? I hope Nigma is not, like, talking about the racial slur thing. Okay, it's Commander. I'm racist. Okay? Andrew said it. Let me post that quote in your Discord. Oh, I need a quote. Oh. We have somebody that left the server. Is it Andrew? Oh no, Andrew did not left. I was like, don't tell me that Andrew just left the server after telling me that I'm racist. You're not sending anything. Send me. Faster, Commander, faster! Okay, everybody, we're sharing the cock of ass. No. Okay. I just saw somebody leave. I was like, not Andrew. Bro, I need my racism, okay? Random Linux info. When you drop in on the wrong stream. Yeah, we're parsing the kernel, my friend. That's what we're doing. But right now we're messing around, and I'm waiting on its commander to either say something racist or make me laugh. Probably both. And no, I'm not saying that its commander is racist, it's just that we're all mixed in our discussion. Oh, based, yes. Yes, I endorse this. Which ethnicity are you? I want to throw a racial slur at you. Yes. The ironic part is that I didn't even know such requirement before, so I finished creating an actual functionality before everyone. No. I'm sure that it took more time for you to comment the project than, like, do the actual code. You seem like that type of guy. Alright. Alright, enough jokes. Although I'm not against being racist against people that fuck with me. Enough! Enough. Okay. We should probably establish a chart. Okay? A chart of what the fuck we're doing. Let's put it right over what we're doing, okay? So... where am I? Okay. Well, we're not memeing. I'm lost. Okay, okay. Okay, that's the place, that's the place. Okay. Let's put some notes. Let's put down some notes. Why am I complicating my life? Why am I thinking about this? We're parsing shit, okay? Let's just... Fuck it, fuck it. We're parsing, we're parsing. Why is there... Nigma always, when I spell your name, I double check. Wait, Nigma without the M. To be honest, it crosses my mind about half the time I read his name, so that's my problem. LeQ underscore a libc address. Oh no. Oh no, not leaking my libc. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? I always need to tread lightly. you you start. I'm sorry, it's just fucking funny for me. I would like to see somebody like answer answer Enigma, and like it goes from a standard answer to an insane one just because of a slip up. I want to see that happen. Okay, this isn't a program that can your Python generate function graph, or maybe docs, I don't know. Why would I want to do that? Tell that to my parent when I was born. No fucking way that you're called Nigma. Is this a real first name? I want to know now. No way. Bro. Edward Nigma. Alright. D863. That's based. I love it. The same thought always crossed my mind when I read about Negamax. Did I fuck something up? Is this a thing? Ah, no, it's a thing! Who thought of this shit? Who? This must be a Soviet Union thing, right? Tell me that they did this back in the 1800s or some shit. Well, not the 1800s. Dates, please. Anyway. Who did this? It sounds like what you would yell, like a new, very, very bad setup at a MOBA. That's how you would call it. Shit, it's new. Why? Uses Skate. I don't use Skate. I use KDevelop, okay? Which is Kate that lags more. We gotta love that Kate. Alright. Alright, let's stop fucking around. Okay, okay. What we need our AST scanner to do. 1. We should scan ifdefs. 2. Scan... Well, no, that's all. Scan ifdefs and diff. And probably find a way to scan if, but later, I guess. Okay. 2. Structs. 3. Flunk. Alright, we're good. This is the only fucking around me. The only fucking around we do is fuck J. Don't forget if and def. This one too. This one too. That's dangerous. Well, if defs is plural, okay. But anyway. Okay. Sometimes I wonder Sometimes I wonder if someone somehow found a search algorithm that performs in big O of 1. Well, it depends for what. Alright. Okay. Lolberg. Okay. I'm addicted to the chat. I need to stop. Okay. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to create some parsers, which are going to do the if-defs, because they're the one that are easy to do, before we even parse anything with clang, okay? So this needs to be done beforehand. So let's do this. Boom. What the fuck did I do? And I should probably have a function for it, right? I should have a function for that. So let's do the def. Let's call it the pre-parse, okay? We're not adding fuck J in there, okay? Not now. Can this be like here? Okay. Self. And we need well, the file itself, I guess. File. Fuck it. Current file. No, split file. Split file. All right. No, let's just do file. File. Okay, good. Fuck. Doing lines is complicated. Not these types. Return. Okay, we're gonna need to return something. So now we can do the infamous. Wait. File. Boom. Boom. Or just leave it like... Just leave it as the... Yeah, that's good. Okay. Parse result. God damn. Pre-parse R. I hate the fact that it is that slow. I need to fucking fix this. I'm triggered now. I'll read the comments. Also, maybe also LEFL0. Is this code on GitHub? Scroll up, yes. That's a eBic lookup. It's a meme with Bing because I use Bing. All right. Okay, we need to fix the fact that it's slow as fuck. I'll kill myself. I swear. Okay, where the fuck is this shit? You're telling me that I cannot copy things over and just like... You save as, go on the desktop. Right, now... Oh, now it's fast. It's because it's not local. You fucking dipshit. I'm sorry, I'm so triggered. Okay. Rewrite in Rust. Okay, it's Commander. You're speaking enough, okay? Boom. Boom. I think this will give you the ability to put links if ever you need. And I'll pin this to the top. Boom. Okay, I think we good. I think we good. Okay, good. Okay. So now we can make our pre-parser. So let's start by just detecting where things are, right? How about we don't make things complicated and we just detect? Where's the thing that we use for parsing? Oh no, we use the most disgusting thing, which was like if starts with... Yeah, that's the thing. That's the disgusting thing. Based. Haha. That's a based commander. Okay. Starts with if def. Okay. Okay. So based, okay? Based. Now let's just let's put this there. Let's think about this. Can an if def, like, is this a valid thing? Wait a second. I need... First of all, could I have an include that looks like this? Or is this like considered... Why is everything that I'm about to say just wrong? I need to stop thinking like that. Anyway. Why... Is this valid? Too real indeed. Too real. Is this valid? Can we do put spaces in front of an if def, right? Is this a valid thing? I feel like this shouldn't exist. Can the preprocessor in C if defs with spaces in front. Copilot. Even for the preprocessor. Oh shit. We're so screwed. Alright, so the solution becomes to do the there's not a split thing, but there's a way to flush. To fix this. He has mods, because if ever he puts a link in, I will be happy with it. And I think YouTube won't ban him if he does. Which is based. And I will now trust its commander with my life. Alright. And also the colors are cool. I would give you colors if I could give you other colors, but the only thing I can do other than that is put you in timeout. And that would be a little unhinged. Alright. So let's just loop. Let's start at the beginning, okay? Invalid syntax. Now you see, now that I fix my shit, it's yelling at me, okay? It's... You little bitch. Stop yelling at me, okay? Alright. So let's put a for loop for line in current file. Oh, now it's going to put some fucking colors. Can we do maybe what we need is rejects. Maybe we can... Ooh, for loops are bad. Maybe we can use map. We can make this complicated. Oh, lstrip. That's what lstrip does? It removes spaces and tabs from the side? I want to confirm that. Oh, it left, right? That's the leading characters. White space. How can I make it also do tabs? Ooh, it will. L strip strips the front of, well, you know C, so you're going to understand this. So here we have tabs and spaces, and if we use L strip with the tab thing, it removes the tab. If we use it with nothing, it removes the whole fucking front, which is based. Okay, this is what we want. So again, it's commander being a fucking unit. All right. How do we use this with map in order to make this like insanely fast? Oh no, it's filter that we need. It's filter. Yes, it's filter. Filter. We give it current file, which is already an array with all the lines. And then we do the based. Shit. How do we do without having a lambda? Do we need a lambda for this? Not oil filter. All right, music, work. Okay, we still in. I don't want to use a lambda. I don't like them. Bro. You know what? I can spam anything I want. Because now I have the autocorrect thingy, right? I see on my second screen that I'm just spamming flashbangs. Alright. So we need to first... Like, is this a valid... Can we do this shit? And then we do... L strip... Parentheses... Then followed by starts with... And then the boom, boom, boom. That looks like a valid command to me. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look, 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 look. You know what? I am a unit. Where would I see my result? Why? What am I doing here? Why am I spamming Lolberg? Whoops. Sorry, I'm a bit of a retard. Okay, let's put our emergency shutdown right after this. Just so we don't spam the shit out of this. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Alright. How many screens do you have? Only 2. I will only say if you tell first. Based 2. I used to have 4. I had 5 at one time. But it becomes so useless when you have that much. 3 screen was my daily driver before. Was overwhelming. Technically I have 2 screen, 2 times 9's virtual screen. I hate virtual screens. I used to use them, but it's a nice and the only flex I have. Based. Why does this happen? Oh, I'm a retard. I need to send this over to I need to push this to the server. I'll be so lazy, bro. I'm out of this shit. Look at my laziness. What's happening here? I don't like the splitting thing that it does. Alright, so that, copy, boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boop, boom, boom. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Easy. You only need 3 more. That's the horizontal plane above the first 3 one. Usefulness of screen is logarithmic based. Oh, I just fucking... oh, bro. Okay. Gotta get those rookie commits up. True. Okay, I just need to tuple the shit out of this. Okay, this needs to be renamed. Give it the same name. Parser-V3. Save it. That's some disgusting way to do things. Print war crime. Oh, that's great. I read bull object is not capable. And I was like, okay, that's a weird way to say things, my friend. Okay, so when is Maple finished with whatever he's caught up on? I kind of look like Berlin from Money Heist. Oh no, I'll need to Google that. Why do I look like this? I don't. How? How? I'm trying to... Is it because I've got a forehead and we've got light? No. I don't see how. Print war crime, sees errors. Alright, bull object is not callable. Bro, shut the fuck up. Eh? Okay, give me more detail than this shit. Like, I deserve better. I feel. That's the most women I'm gonna feel today, okay? I deserve better today. Give me some freaking answer at what level you're burning, okay? I need to transfer that shit now. I'll drink half a gallon of bleach on that one. Why is the tuple an issue? Eh? Isn't filter an iterator? Like, that's a valid thing, right? That's a valid thing. Or am I, like, mixing things up with... Oh, you... I really need to automate this. This is not funny. It's just because I'm getting bogged down on some bug. Bro, there's no way. Bull object is not callable. The fuck does... Where am I calling the bull object? Oh... No? Is it just retarded? Is it just... Oh my god, I am. Do I just need to use lambda function and stop with my hatred for them? Alright. Understood? Understood. Can I do this? Is this a thing? I don't like lambda. Anyway. Okay. Let's just do this. Alright. Alright. Okay. Okay, my mistake, my mistake. Do not look at the amount of videos on Maple channel. Why? What's the problem? Fuck Jay, indeed. Maple, how is it your dev environment? How is your dev environment set up? Your code is on your local machine. Manually copy the source file to a remote server and then run it on said remote via SSH. Yes. Yes, this is what I'm doing. I need a better way. But I don't know anything about a proper setup. So I have the choice between trying to achieve something with what the fuck I have and, I don't know, being logical. I don't know. Alright. So that means, like... I know you're not asking me. I'm using Arch. I'm memeing. I know you're not asking me. Okay. Its commander is using Ubuntu. I'm joking. Would have been based. Our boy is using... No. Linux Mint. That one would have been a hard one to swallow. I was right. No way. He did the meme. I don't know if defines are parsed by our system. Like, are defines handled by Syndex? That's such a bad design. We talked about if too. Is it elif or it's else if? Okay. Can I have all of them? Okay. That sounds more like it. If. Else if. Oh, it's in the middle. Ooh, fancy. Okay, and let's add something in front of it. Just so it doesn't fuck over our system, because it's something that already exists. Then we should be able to do boop. 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 So here we have the most inefficient parse ever. Oh shit. We have some rights. But I do plan to switch to Fedora on once Ubuntu breaks or get a new SSD. What's fixed? Ubuntu. Lol. Okay, Syndex as to parse include, since the include could contain defines that affect if def in the original file. When were you live? We've been live for the last hour, Nigma. What the fuck? You've been there, chatting along. What's going on? Okay. Let me just answer what's written above by its commander. Includes are already taken care of. We could optimize them, but that's another subject, okay? So considered includes already done. They're stored in our database. It's done. Now, we need to take care of everything else, right? My question with defines was not if they are taken into account, but if we are able to parse them using Syndex, right? Because if Syndex is able to parse them, I don't give a shit. I don't want to do the manual parsing thing. But if Syndex does not, then it's an issue for me. And all of these directives, at least those that we highlight right here, they don't become tokens, right? They are not properly parsed by Syndex. Syndex does process them and react to them, but it does not actually give a shit about giving us the information that they exist. So this is why we need to do this, right? Use the list on Wikipedia. I was waiting for you to be live. That's why I was talking to you. Holy shit! So each time I spoke to you, Nigma, you didn't speak to what? What the fuck? That's next level 50-minute schizophrenia right there. Well, I mean, I'm the guy speaking along. I'm just scrolling up, questioning my sanity. Holy shit, that's insane. I apologize. Don't apologize. No, I asked you a question at the start, but that's all good. I don't remember what it was. I think I fixed whatever I did. That's so insane. Oh my god. Oh. Enigma, are you alright? Did I anger you yesterday? I don't know. Are you third person saying this? The wife treatment. I don't understand anything with you, Nigma. I'm so confused. Okay. YouTube does not want to let me see Nigma's messages, so I have to read through them through Maple stream. Oh, I know why. Let me show you. So, you're in top chat, right? That's why. I don't get what you're saying, Nigma. Yes, I absolutely went off on you yesterday. There's no doubt about it, okay? But those were all genuine comments, okay, that I was making because they are my thought about you, okay? But I'm not angry. I'm just venting, okay? Because I'm trouncing some people in the call center, okay? That's what I'm doing all day. I will repeat once again, YouTube and its crappy JavaScript. It's just a pun about wives being silent, ignoring their husband when they're angry. Well, from experience, that's because... Well, that's because the wife is shit. Just change wives, okay? Oh, for fuck's sake, YouTube. What the Anyway. We're having fun here, okay? When shit goes wrong, switch wives. That's the solution. Okay. So, let's stop being retarded for a minute and start thinking with big brain energy, okay? Big brain. Whoa. All right. Well, we did scan the deaths. So, okay. Problem solved? Question mark. The issue is always putting this in a way that will work for the database, and that's the only fucking issue here. Everything else is simple. It's so triggering. It's all right. All right, let's resolve this shit. Let's do a 4-minute DB stream, okay? We're there, okay? Why is Stop Chat the default based? Nah, Enigma. I disagree with that. But big company. I think that what they're doing is always logical, or like 99% of the time. Switching wives also has the benefit of halving your debt. You're assuming, my friend, that you're assuming that I haven't cleared up my debt, okay? That's a dangerous assumption right there, okay? I don't know. I think YouTube is doing a pretty good job. Who is spamming the fucking chat? Nobody? Okay. Is it fucking Ned? Ned? What the fuck is Ned doing? Okay, let's leak some chats, okay? What the fuck is Ned doing? I'ma take a pee, be right back in 4-minute based. Anyway. This is what I have to contend with, okay? Somebody that pings my ass all the time. Okay. Now, for real. For real, okay? We need to make a structure that works. Okay. So we need to store if-defs, right? So how do we store them? Do we create a type for them? A specific, like, pure type? Wait. Is this all the things that I have? And this is out of order. Order. Okay. Out of order. There goes my plan of being a good boy. What? I don't know what you mean. Alright. So, okay. So, that's just us setting a type. This is... What the fuck is this? This is a pure type. This is an int. Right? Yes, yes. This is how we set an int. Okay, type is how we set an int. We need to find a new naming scheme for those. Okay, type is how we set an int. Or a char. Or whatever the fuck. So we probably need a new type for if-defs. Or do we? Could we? If-defs are simple, right? They are a name. Well, no. Shut the fuck up. They are the... If-defs are two things. The fact that they are an if-def. And the name that's behind them. Okay. So we could technically store it all inside of this. Right? Using tinfo and tnid. Tnid allows us to store a name. It's tag name ID. Alright. Being normal as concluded yesterday. Again, I apologize. Don't apologize. Emperor Palpatine sings All I Want for Christmas. Okay, so I'm not the only one with those type of people in my DM. My friend, Ned is a warrior in my DM. Enigma, the reference that you make in your brain are not linked in mine, okay? So, You have pointers, okay? And I don't have these pointers. Does this help you understand why I'm confused? Okay, you know. So I don't fucking know what you're talking about. I'm being rude, okay? Sorry. I love you. I have no clue what you mean. For 90% of the messages. I still appreciate your presence. Okay. Okay. So we can encode an if-def. Well, we don't fucking know, okay? That's the issue, okay? For a standard if-def, can there be multiple thing after it? Right? Could you... Here's the real question, okay? Could token be 5 things? Right? Can I do... Let me ask AI. Can I do in C preprocessor if def this is my first defined thing, this is my second defined thing. All right. The question is, how do I explain something that can be explained in more detail? Is a normal one, so I am probably the problem. If you cannot explain something in more detail, that's okay. The... Okay, for a second I thought the AI disagreed, but I think you're right. Right, the AI agrees with you. That means that... Old school, lol. Alright, this is shit. So we need fancy defines and standard defines now. No, it's a... They use if there. Whoa! If def. No. But... Wait. Nigma, we need confirmation from you, okay? Here, the difference is they're using if to do these things, right? So it wouldn't be possible using if def. I agree. This is logically the same, right? I agree. But what the AI is telling us is that I couldn't do what I did earlier, right? This is not a thing. Can I? Okay. Still. Okay. Right? I cannot chain two thing at the end of one if def. I can do it through if, but not if def. Okay. Good. Simplicity, okay? So that means that if defs can merely be defined as being... Please, for the love of God, find what the fuck you need. As being this, okay? If defs fit just in this. They don't need something else. Great, okay? Let's put some comments because I'll forget. If defs only contains one thing at a time, so they are defined. Well, they are stored in the DB using a type. Okay, we need to change that naming scheme. I'll kill myself. This DB naming scheme is garbage. It's garbage. We need something better. Just remember, if is just the if for the preprocessor. Defined is a logical check and result. One and true. Yep. Okay, we're on the same line. Okay, we're changing the naming scheme of this shit. This, whatever the fuck this is, this needs to go. Okay, we're renaming this. I go for m_ast. Okay, we're biting the bullet. We're saying that this is AST even though it isn't. This could be AST type and this could be AST struct. This will fix all of our problem. Okay, my mind rejuvenated. Type, not type, AST. Boom. And we're gonna need to find all the places where it doesn't work anymore. Oh, and we have T all over the thing. Shit. Okay, I probably need to fix the type ID thing and make it like AST ID or AID. Ooh. Aid. Yes. I showed your DM. Because I was like, what the... See what I'm dealing with? Okay. Void star PA equals no. PA pointer. My lovely shitpost. Love you. Look, I'm just trying to make aids in my code, okay? We're one S away. One S away. Yeah, aid works, okay? Well, instead, or else it's ASTID, right? Which is kind of garbage. So, let's use whatever the fuck is included in our thing. AIDS. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ah, shit. I need to... I'm a retard. Okay. Okay, does this run? I remembered. Copy. Paste. Oh, fuck. Give me a moment. Yeah, I know, that doesn't exist. I know you're a type denier. Bro. This stream should have been named Man Complains at His Code that he produced 5 seconds ago. Okay, good, good, good. It works. We generated that shit now. Oh, and it's at the top. Oh. Oh, why? Why, what the fuck happened there? Give me a moment. I need to kill my DB. Okay. Okay. I think we in. Okay, it's Commander one. I'm so confused. I'll need to read that again after checking that. Why is type not there? Why is type named the same way? Sometimes I feel like I'm a full retard when I'm talking. Why is type patata type? Yeah. Why? Bro. Oh. Whoops. Who's the retard now? Oh, you don't have to. You don't have to be done. You see? Look, I love you. Okay. I love you, Ned. Just like... Okay, okay. Okay, Ned. Ned, I present to you Nigma. You are so alike. I love you both, okay? My precious... I don't know how to call you, okay? Our level of understanding is not it. But it is still very fun to have some time with you, okay? It is still very fun. You don't have to apologize for anything, okay? You're funny, Ned. Alright. Okay, why won't you compile? 5 seconds again. Oh, yes. Where are the pretzel goldfish? I don't know. Nigma, 12th generation, Intel, retard core. Also have a BDSM register. No way. I want to see this. A BDSM register? Fuck. Okay, okay, it's safe. But what the fuck is English slave registry? I need intel. I love it. Base data stolen memory register. Who the fuck talk about? Who said to themselves, yup, we're greenlighting this one. Oh, but it's way older than you said. Oh shit, it's the full manual. Oh man. I need to fucking cut these ads. It's probably going to switch to porn and I'll get fucked. BDSM. Alright. It's all good. We're all good. He's searching. Okay, okay. 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 Do we have something that works now? No, no. Can it like AST5 type drop? I feel like such a schizophrenic when I speak. I love it. Type. Oh, now we have things that are named in a great way. And the color is way better. Thank you. Colors. Okay. Now I'm able to focus. I can't wait for that link to steal my public data. There's so many things wrong with that message. First, it's an Intel link. There's nothing wrong with that. Second, steal your public data. If it's public, it cannot really be stolen in that way. Right, it's a weird... Yes, by text. Okay. It was a joke. It was a meme, okay? Slash joke was a joke. Ned, if you're in here, we need more slash joke. Okay? Okay. Okay, okay. We back. We back. We so back. Okay? So now, not only... fuck this. Let's do the retard way, okay? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's just make sure that there's not a retard that decided to put 1600 fucking spaces after their of death. Okay, here I go full picker mode. You could say that the joke crawled over your head. True, make it work, make it fast, make it pretty. Ah! I forgot to transfer it. No! Bro, these people need to go. I need Andrew to tell me again that I'm racist. I'm in. Okay. That's fair. That's a fair thing. Yes. Alright. Okay. You know what? I like these disgusting construct. That's so bad. That's exactly what I needed in my life. Look at this work. Boom! Dry of dry jokes. That's true. Nigma, I'm 100% with your visualization thing. That's a thing that needs to exist. Mummy process based. Right. Do we ignore the possibility? Can there be like a comment after a preprocessor thing? Is this a war crime that people do? Is this a valid preprocessor instruction? Like this, if def define the thingy. Someone's very not kind comments. Was my pun too corny? Well, it wasn't about corn, so... Whew! We're about to have a nutism showdown, okay? No, that's not valid. I used the wrong one. Yep, and it's telling me that it's a valid thing. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, that one hurts. Oh no. Oh, that's bad. Okay. Oh, that's so fucking disgusting. I don't want to have to code for that. Dear Lord. We're yelling. Yes. Yes. Good one, Nigma. It's down to happen. Okay, I get it. So, well, holy shit, you both. It's been a long time since I've seen you in here, okay? This comment's deleted. Hi, happy to see you. And Red Hawk, hi, happy to see you too, okay? Okay, the issue here, Red Hawk, is not Python. It's me, okay? It's me that doesn't know shit and is trying some shit. That's what's going on, okay? So right now we're parsing a bunch of shit. We're doing some great progress, okay? We nailed down how we want our DB to work. We've nailed down a bit how Syndex works. We've created some war crimes along the way. So everything works great. Why does Commander get mod? I thought I was your favorite. Based. No, Ned, you're not my favorite. Well, Well, you're near my favorite. You're near my favorite. Commander was there. That's why I gave him the mod. If you're there more often, I might, okay? I might. C is really... C is just really hard AST. It's why C++ AST is even worse. I know! I was watching all the things that are made expressly for C++, and it's like... Ooh, that sounds like a thing that I'm happy that I don't have to parse. Like, can we go into cursors? Oh no, it's in type that we see it. Am I at the wrong place? Oh, type kind. Oh, it's just type. Okay. So, like, I don't want to have to deal with... Wait for it. Okay, like, volatile, I don't know. Is this a C thing? But... Fuck, I'm not going to find what I want. There's a bunch of shit that exists just for C++, and that is viral AIDS. This comment's deleted. If I give you mod, you would ban me. I have the wrong opinion. Even though I still like your presence. I still like you. Why did a student crawl up a mountain? I don't know. They seek a heightened degree. Okay, fuck me. And Ned is trying to ult, okay? Ned is ulting. Don't stop, Ned. Yes, but I don't think that it's that bad to change from one to another, right? Because changing the version of C, like, shouldn't change. Like, at that point, I'm not trying to read the C itself. I'm trying to read the AST. So, like, normally, doesn't the AST, at least the broad strokes of it, stay the same for a different version? They keep adding keywords? Are you fucking kidding me? What the fuck is going on? I understand that it gets more complex over time, but like from the point of view of the most simple AST, const expression. Okay, just the sound of this shit makes me want to kill myself, so... My friend, I'm not leaving ASTL for a long time. Const expression is so simple, is it? I hope so. Yeah, hi MBUware. True. You know what's warm? Money. Give me more money. No. This is how you get warmth, okay? True money. And war crimes. War crimes are warm. Okay. Okay. Yes. Yes. It's Commander. Help me with that one. Okay, last stream, which means yesterday, it was updated. I'm so retarded. You literally copied wrote the whole freaking command for me. And I copy-pasted. Instead of having define square root over 2, you have constant expression square root. Oh, that's neat. But it's something else that you have to, like, do. But it's neat. I'll try to make sense of it. My friend, we're done. Who knows who's Cancer? Me. July 1st is Cancer? Yeah, July 1st, Cancer. Okay, okay. Sorry, my my married years were trying to come back. Okay. Yeah, constant expression sounded way worse than it was. Thank you for the explanation. I still don't want to implement anything near that for my database, but I'll have to, I guess, whenever it comes around. Alright. Enough. Well, what the fuck am I gonna do anyway, besides talking, because it's fun. You need more photons in your art. Constipated expression. Okay, we have a full autismo showdown, whatever the fuck it is. Alright. How about let's just make this a bit more pretty, so we can make sure that it freaking works. Hi, I'm retarded. Okay. Did I just do this? Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Okay, we might be able to get around to it. So let's just print what we have, and then we're probably going to have to do some cool shit with it. At least I hope. Laughing about my Control-C, Control-V is not allowed, okay? Anyway. Alright. Maple literally said, "Which ethnicity are you? I want to throw a racial slur at you." Ned could never compete. True! Oh. I'm sorry, this is such a good part. This is bright dead retard shit. Remove if not used in 3 stream. Same person comments. True. It's been 3 stream. It's been 3 streams. We need to fix this. Where's the retarded shit? Oh, caps. Alright. Alright, this goes. Bye-bye. Now the real question is, will it compile? Will it run? Who watch Will It Blend? That was a show. It still freaking runs. Alright. I'm too mild-mannered for which... on a tree milker. What the fuck? Hey Maple, what's your opinion of a type that defeats any reason of having type? Like any? Well, I mean, if it exists, there's a reason for it. Retarded shit. Retarder. You looking at the wrong line of text, bucko. What the fuck? Also, you tell me not to be self-deprecated, and here I see you. These comments in your code. Well, it's because it's true. It's just true. I just had a kernel panic while reading your code. I wanted to say, same person comments. I can relate. Why did you have a kernel panic? I remember Willard Bland. It was the shit. Alright. So that's parsed correctly. Okay, so if defs works... Oh no, there's the comment thing. There's the comment thing. Why? Why would somebody do this? So I'll need to check for slashes, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, I'll need to check for slash. I'm in. No, I cannot. I think Ned might be a fox. Oh, Red Hawk, I didn't understand your comment first. Oh, okay. Can you just disregard them? Okay. Yes. Well, no. Okay, here's the issue. Or parse... Okay. Background. Fuck, let's open something up. And... Alright. We have steps, okay? Step numero uno, okay? Première affaire, okay? Is the pre-parse, okay? And the pre-parse... Shit, that's bad. Okay, the pre-parse is taking the if-defs. Well, no, the pre-parse is the pre-compiler, okay? So the if-defs, the if, all of these, we manage them before actually going into the AST. So the second part is the AST. The reason why we do it that way is because this part, even though it affects Syndex, it affects clang, well, libclang, it isn't parsed by Syndex. So Syndex reacts to this shit, but it does not, like, it won't tell you, okay, I've done this on this line. It will just react. It will just live with it. So we need, before even getting to the AST, know about all of those directives, and then, because we're a giga smart, we're also going to try to bypass them so that we don't have as much trouble in the AST stage. So this is why we are currently parsing using simple text in Python. '07. That might be a C++ thing. All this BS is based. Yes, I need to remove the comments. Yeah, I guess. It's I don't know how much I want to you're so right. You're so right. Holy shit. Because if all right, let me phrase this. Right now we're scanning line by line, right? So we're checking like this line and then the other line and then the other line into our file. But if we have this and then somebody inside of some comments, inside of some multi-line comments puts if def, we're screwed. That would be that would be a war crime, okay? This should be illegal, but yeah. Enigma, you're gonna have to define no. Am I Jordan Peterson? Define true. I know that the preprocessor doesn't see that. That's my point. Define no. Oh, that's true. That's true. We need to go into a passionate plea, okay? So this is why the Nazis they asked the epistemifica. Fuck. Anyway, define yes. Okay. Oh man. I saw Jordan Peterson playing Ark Raiders. It was the funniest shit ever. Anyway. Where were we? Cleaning comments. Okay. How many ways are there to have comments in C? For sure this has been done before. How do we clean comments? Somebody fucking knows, okay? There's a Python command. It does it all. Who knows Python? Google Doxygen. Bro. And when I saw Doxygen, I was like, we're pretty near what I'm doing, but it's not quite it. Ned is right. I need to get out the broom. Okay, we're bringing back the rejects. That's great. Nice meme. Nice meme. Bro, what the fuck? I worked with this shit before. So I'm not using this anymore nowhere? Is that what I'm understanding? Okay, okay. Don't use rejects, I guess. Alright. We're going to have to use them. And we're using them in the pre-parse. Alright. Okay, what the fuck was that word? I don't even know if it's, it looks so bad. I don't know why. Okay. Okay. Okay, top chat, top chat. It's good, it's good. We have some insult to top chat. That's exactly what we need. Okay, so, normally we have re dot something, dot search, because match only match the first character. Oh yeah, exactly what I wanted. Exactly what I wanted. Give me Bing. Bro. The first thing opening up. Oh, that's so good. Okay. Okay, where is search? Okay, we good. Pattern. I should probably pre-compile the pattern thing. Full match. Okay. I like using rejects, but I don't like how every language seemingly has weird quirks. True. On your tongue, dirty comments are fun with the tongue. The fuck? Nigma. That's what makes every language unique. I like using rejects. What's your thought on multi-language projects? The more language, the more it's unhinged. I love it. I mean, I currently use... Four to 5? Oh no. 3 to 4 language for this shit. And it's clearly not enough. Anyway. Search, pattern, string. And what does it output? Where the fuck it finds it? Returns a Eh? Oh, match is a specific thing, right? Match, successful matches. And we can... Oh, expand. Return the string obtained by doing a backslash substitution. Okay, okay, I get it, I get it. We can do a bunch of shit with it. Okay, okay. So we need to do RE search this. It will return some magical journey type shit. And oh wait, oh wait, oh wait. This needs to go. This needs to be thereafter. Okay, so this is something that we're gonna do afterwards. Does search only find one thing? Or it will give us the first location? I feel like we're going to do the most unoptimized thing ever. Oh, find all. That sounds better. I'm seeing so much bad thing. Okay, I'll read instead. Don't ask to ask. True. If you wrote it all in C or all in Rust, you only need 2 language. Not true. How do I put it on a screen? How do I host? You're gonna make a server in Rust. Who gives a shit? How are you hosting the database? In Rust? What a retard. Because I personally think those who are against using more than one language are more naive than those who started their programming journey. Well, when you're at 4, you're probably shouldn't add another one. Yeah, if it's required. For example, use C for fast grab, Rust for interrupt, Python for normal top user stuff GUI. Okay. Chung Ming Chang as a gist function that does that. Thank Lord. Fucking hell. We have somebody with a brain in here. I'm joking, okay? Chong Ming Chang. God. A person that allows me to be happy, okay? I'm gonna need to search that one. Okay, let's read a bit more. Okay, can I... what? Okay, first, let's not share some people that probably don't want to. Oh, okay, thank you, MBWare, thank you. Thank you, Big Dick MBWare. Big Dick. Passing through. Okay. Good. Where are the war crimes? Who's telling me to... Okay. Maple, check other details in Discord. Trust me, you'll hate it. Okay. That's so good. There's no way that the preprocessor can survive this shit. No, no way. No. No. Oh, shit. I'm so triggered. I'm so triggered. You're right. I'll hate you. Okay. Thank you, MBWare. Thank you. Okay. Okay, we have some debate here. Okay, I just plan to make NC engine. Okay. Link in Discord. Thank you, MBWare. I'm sure it will. Good luck, have fun, Maple in chat. Love you. Gay laser. Based. C is so powerful, so little. No. I trust you. I'm just triggered. Okay, I'm just triggered. To try to set us back on a path, why don't we just reject a file where there is an error in parsing so that the project can prove more of the source appear? That's right. I just augment the ratio of memes to actual code in these video, it seems, but in these streams I should probably Negamax get onto it. Hey, these are not flattering, okay? Remove C style. Okay, but now... Wait a fucking minute. Why is there a dog barking? Anyway. Okay, that's very based. There's just an issue. We need to know the line numbers of whatever the fuck we're parsing. Is it really a dog? Give me F a second. I want to make sure my daughter's okay. Okay? Give me F a second. Okay, we back. I just didn't want to think that... Like, just the idea of my daughter choking is not something that I want to think about, right? That's not the thing. So, okay. Okay. Yeah. We... Why did that stop? I stopped it, I think. Okay. 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 Yeah, the issue now that I have... I need to not have that many windows, okay? I'm going to die. Okay, this is good. Does this skip line in any way? Okay. Because it does... Can include new line. Okay. Text with comments are removed. Like, this is good. I love it. It's just... Keep... Ah. Okay. Okay, so that fixed it? Okay, that's kind of based. Alright. I don't know if Hugh was in here, he could tell you. Q made a lot of things. He's a big brain guy. Alright, let's just enclose this. And... Okay, so this needs to go. Okay, so they just use comment remover and it returns the thing. Okay. So this should do it. Right? That's the idea. Yep. Okay. So we can do this type of thing. And this type of thing. Right, this is a valid thing. Let's crash it right here. Music, play. All right. Okay. We would need to know where the fuck the comments were in the first place, you goddamn... Wait a second. I'll go check myself. So this file in version 3. Boom. Where am I? Alright, we in. Here we go. Do we have comments at the bottom that I can attest for? Oh, these were deleted. These were deleted, right? There's no comments. There's no comments. Woohoo! I'm a giga retard. I'm happy about comments removal. Okay. Do we just assume that it works? We just assume that it works. Based. Okay. We should probably test the first part of it. I hope I don't see comments too. Whoa, where am I going with this? Okay, it works. It works. It works, guys. Okay. Okay, enough dumb shit. Now we need the new lines to work. So what did this not helping. Lines 57, comment remover, return. Alrighty. Let's do this. What the fuck happened here? Oh no. Oh no, they don't use tabs. Whoops. Well, I guess you're using some tabs now. Yep. I know there's an automation for this. Okay, we good? We good. Whoops. Nigma rhythms with Ligma, thank you. But I decide not to make any joke with it. I leave that to you, Maple. We did it yesterday. Why are you manually removing them? I knew it. I knew you would speak up. Okay. That's not good. Houston, that's not good. Shit. Did I copy it over? Oh. Okay, I'm just before trying to understand it, I'll do the same thing that I did another time. I'll run it another time in hopes, okay? No worries. Okay, good. Ah, shit. Alright. So, how do we get access to this shit? And how do we count how many times? How many times it's... How can we get access to the comment thing? When you realize cat girls have 4 ears. They don't. It's extensions of their already existing ears? No? I'm confused. Instead of sub, use find. Yeah. But it also won't solve anything. You're so innocent. Okay, furry friends. Okay, here's what I'm balancing in my mind, okay? I have 2 things. I have this shit. Can I zoom in? No. Okay, let's copy it over. Okay, this thing is now my new plague. Commander, thank you. You've given me mental aids. This never needed to be valid. How do I make this light the fuck up? I'm so frustrated. Okay. Don't light up, I guess. Code. What language? No. No, screw this. Screw this. Yeah, screw this. So if I have a comment... Wait, let me think about this. Yes. Okay. If this is commented out, I don't want it to be an actual new line. Because it's not a new line in the code. How do we know that the new line is a true new line? Oh, there's a special character, probably. And this is not the special character. Okay, I'm retarded, sorry. Oh, I know that you can bring a fuckload of gay furries, my friend. But I'm not sure it's a good idea. It's just string replace. Nigma, you can unload on Ned. He's like you. You're both autistic, so you'll understand each other. Okay, first of all, let's just return to the earlier code because clearly, for some reason, it does not do the thing. So this needs to go. I don't know if I'm able to concentrate enough for this. Based. Okay, okay. I created a monster. Don't stop, don't stop. Alright. Wait, how the fuck does this even work? I'm missing something. How are these things related? How did this shit work? Wait, I need to read this, okay? This might be the issue. Okay. Okay, I feel deep mental anguish. Okay, the autists are having a fun time. That's great. So this doesn't run this, and the two things are two separate pieces of code. Like that don't call each other. Well, what the fuck's the point? I wasn't even using the thing. This is why I need to understand thing. It works. So... yeah. Yeah, that was just it. I was just not using the right thing. So you're telling me now that's just like 2 ways to do the same thing? I'm so confused. Oh, it's the explanation for this thing! Is it? And I'm a retard? No? No. I don't get it. Okay, good. Alright, so I guess we can throw that to the trash, right? I'm so confused. Oops. Okay, it just works. Trademark, I guess. Yeah, it does. What the fuck? Alright, alright, we... Okay. 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 Yeah, I giga-alted. Yeah, I thought they were the same, but when I look at the rejects, they're different. So I'm just confused. But maybe it's just like to expand the reject that it looks different, or I'm just retarded. Join the dark side. Do it. Okay. Look, it's enough for today. I'm going to become insane if I resume, and I'm getting way too sleepy for this shit. So, for now, we did we did more progress than yesterday. That's for sure. Okay. Yesterday was an insane day with 3 lines of code. Okay, but today at least we've got how much? Okay, we've got from line 1111 to 1095. Okay, we good. This is what we did. So now let's do the thing, right? The thing that you want, that all of you want me to do. And then I need to find my GitHub Giga key because the password won't work, right? All right. Okay, give me a second. I'll go find my key. Where is my key? Give me my tokens. As if I cannot use my freaking password. Why does it tell me, use your phone? I don't need to use my phone. Alright. Here we go. We in! Okay. Pog stream. True! Very pog stream. You're sweating, my guy. Am I sweating? I don't think I am. I take my shoes off inside other houses. Okay, first of all, not removing your shoes when you're inside a house, okay? When you're inside a house is a war crime. Just. Yes, I'm going to get an heart attack. Are you entertained? Why? No, we don't. Why do people do this? It's so disgusting. Like the idea of shoes. Dirty fucking shoes. Oh! Do you? Oh, I've heard of this one. This one kills me. People don't wash their hands when they go outside and come back home. What the fuck? Yes, I'm being rude. These two things, if you do them, you're so wrong, you deserve it, right? If somebody kills somebody else, I'm not rude for calling him a murderer. If you don't wash your hands when going outside, coming back home, that's fucking disgusting. That's what the mudroom is for. What? Anyway. I mean, I'm a bit unhinged on that because I go like in my garden and come back home and I clean my hand. Oh man. It's Commander. I feel like I took drugs reading that comment. Wait, what the fuck are we talking about here? I must be so sleepy. I must be dreaming, okay? I'm turning into XQC. Holy shit. You can remove your shoes once inside. But you do it, it's like the first thing that you do, right? My contention with the shoes thing is that dirty American keep their shoes inside. They don't remove. They have sex with it. Okay? What the fuck? Okay, it's Commander. It makes sense now. Objectophilia. Is this a real thing? They don't remove them so that they don't soil their socks. There's a big issue. I know that you're memeing MBE wear, but there's... That's what I get, my friend. Okay? I don't think that's the right thing. But... I know you're memeing MBE wear, okay? We're both Quebecois. We both have a brain. But... Holy shit. If your home is disgusting, there's an issue. Maple being rage baited. Indeed, okay? Well, no, removing shoes insides makes sense depending on where you live. Right? In Canada, you cannot remove your shoes outside. You freeze. So, you put your feet inside, you close the door, and you remove the shoes. Because you have a mat. Home. And you're in Sweden and you remove your shoes outside before putting your... What? I must be smoking some crack. I think you should remove the floor so that you may make it easier with your shoes. It's Commander being an American. And I'm sure you're... Are you even... You're not an American, right? But... Like, the American idea of... I'm not the problem. Everything else is. I'm German, by the way. Yes, but you're being very American by saying this. Right? Oh, what? You're in my way? Destroy them. Change it. Burn it. Okay? Who gives a shit? I can jump into a heap of snow naked. I would be fine. But 1 Celsius above comfort in summer, and I'm dying. I would agree with that. I must act American to reach peak rage baiting. Yes, when talking to a Canadian, the best you can do for a rage bait is being American. Because an American is a Canadian without any logic. Hi from Germany. Love you, sorcerer. When you remove your shoes inside, you're stating dominance. When I'm removing the floor because I don't want to dirty up my shoes, I'm asserting dominance over the subhuman floors. What the fuck? Why is it wrong to remove them once inside? I don't understand. Is this really a thing? To my knowledge, in Canada, we all remove our shoes once on the fucking mat inside. Oh, maybe not in an apartment. Oh. Oh, I'm being bougie. I think that's the issue here. I'm assuming a house. True! Asserting dominance, building an oil pump. I need... Where's my Alberta guy when I need him? Where the fuck is my Alberta guy? I need to talk some oil into him, okay? Alright, alright. Now it's true, it's been 2 hours, 30 minutes. Oh, you only remove your shoes on the inside if it's an apartment. What? Well, yeah, apartment ERFs. They have it, stairs here. Oh, fuck. You're not understanding what the fuck I'm saying. Okay, Nigma, when I say on the inside, I don't mean in the inside of the apartment building. I say on the inside of your particular apartment. Okay, fuck me. I'm skipping Nigma for this. Clean the floor with your tongue. Said like a true Trump voter. No, Ned hasn't voted for Trump, okay? Please don't go think that. Okay, what are the FS channel in the Discord for? That's a question for Q, okay? And what are they for? Oh, it's because I was talking about making a series about XFS, and I already did a EXT4, so it would probably make sense that we had the FS one too. I voted Biden. Yeah. Rock hard for that Biden. Well, technically you voted Kamala, but anyway. Who the fuck is sending me some message? Oh. Yes, I want to be your friend, okay? I want to be your friend too. Okay. I'm unhinged. I read your comment, Nigma. I read living space and I went my brain was like living space. You've done nothing wrong. I'm stating that I'm retarded. I'm not saying that you've done something wrong. I'm retarded, okay? I'm thinking about like Maple, you're on Maple right now. What the fuck? I'm so fried. Okay. Yes, go ahead. It's Commander. I'm all in for that. By the way, I just finished the Elephant series. Will it continue? Yes. It will be a whole new series. Unlike me, you're weak and don't have resistance towards sleep deprivation. You know what? I'm gonna be a boomer on this one. Wait until you're my age. Wait until you have kids. If you do, okay? You'll get there, bitch. I like putting curses. Okay, enough. Enough boomer energy. Okay? So, I'll go do something else and then sleep. But tomorrow, we see each other and we do something productive now that we don't have comments, okay? So hopefully, we will beat our streak. So we went from 3 lines to like 16 lines. And if we go on, we should be good. That's what I tell myself. Yes, everybody go to sleep, okay? So, it's all for today. Love you all. We're seeing each other tomorrow. Well, if you want to. And with that said, bye-bye.